Hi Hadi, today we're going to draw a nice calligraphy. Let's start the drawing here. You can see that usually the calligraphy is of organic shapes, and most of the times this is with the Arabic handwritings. The Islamic calligraphy is famous. It's like the artwork. So you have to have efficient in freehand drawing styles. So as you can see, I'm using without any instruments, and the drawing styles, the hands are moving freely to the any points and to the any directions, and these lines is coming to the bottom part of the page. All right, so you can see the usual shades here and the shapes here. Now I'm going to fill up the colors. Dark blue, so from the top I'm going to fill up the colors inside. Now filling up the lines in the middle. After completion of the whole drawings and the colors, you can see the usual presentations of the calligraphy. It looks good, and I hope you like the video. You can also browse to the playlist to select drawings in different categories. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon sound to get the updates. In our next videos, we're going to bring more interesting topics. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.